Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Grammarly in Microsoft Word. So very quickly, what you want to do is you want to download Grammarly. Grammarly download for Windows or Mac, depending on what you're using. We have a Predator here, so we're going to use for Windows. Click on this, it will add an extension file like this. Just click on it again, and then automatically, apologies for that, automatically Grammarly will be installed right here. Now, open up your Word file like so, and automatically, if Grammarly is downloaded, every time you open MS Word, this icon will appear, signifying that your Microsoft Word is now assisted with Grammarly. So let's try this. As you can see, grammar is key. As you can see here, that's Grammarly already. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button. So follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Tech Help Guy.